back to Rob's Garage. I am Rob. This here is my 91 Mustang. Today, we're putting in a brand new clutch, changing the oil, spark plug wires, you know, give her a good little tune-up, and hopefully get her back to where we can drive her every single day again. So, stay tuned. I won't be showing the entire clutch installment process. If you go back a few videos, I bought an Amazon clutch. Big mistake, lasted about 8 miles, and I pretty much show you how to do the clutch there. So I'll probably throw you on a time lapse. We're going to a garage that's got a lift. We're gonna put it all in. So driving there now. I'll check back with you guys after the clutch is in, and you know, we change all the spark plug wires, and hopefully she runs a little bit better. I'll catch you guys then. What up, guys? Hey, so I know I said I'm gonna show y'all the clutch install and all that. Well, I was there at the shop, right? You can use this shop and it's got lifts and stuff, and you know, they charge you an hourly fee or whatever. And I was, you know, doing my thing, recording, had the transmission coming out, and the manager came up, and due to privacy reasons, I can't use any of that footage. All right, so good note, we got the clutch in. This is the Ram HDX clutch. Got it from Lmao. Got a new shift fork, obviously pilot bearing, throwout bearing. What else did we get? Oh, the SVE transmission mount. Got all that in, and oh, put a no, that's it. That's all we got done. And changed the oil. Oil needed to be changed. So now I'm in my 500-mile break-in period. So literally now I'm just driving, trying to break in this clutch. The car is running good. You know, now I don't know if you can see that, but we're cruising, you know, 55 on the highway. You know, 2,000 RPMs, not bad for, you know, our 373s or our 390s, whatever one we got. So now the shifter used to just bounce around with the old clutch. It used to go all the way through the drivetrain. I know you can't see it, but you know, now she's smooth. The clutch feels amazing, right? Obviously I haven't got on it because we're 14 miles into our 500 miles, but we'll, you know, once we hit that 500 or so, you know, I feel like it'll hold up. We'll get there. In the meantime, we're just gonna drive it, you know, every day like we do. Just enjoy it. I really wish I could show y'all the footage, but y'all already see me change the clutch. So please make sure you subscribe down below, because the next video coming out, I'm gonna show y'all how to assemble a spark plug wire set. We're also gonna put new plugs in it, and then I also got a little trick to show y'all what kind of gear ratio you got. I've been waiting to do that. I know it's either a 373 or it's a 390, might even be 410s. But if that's something that interests you, like I said, go ahead and hit that subscribe. We'll get it going, and yeah, in the meantime, we'll just drive this bad boy around. I've been thinking, I know in my last video I did everything that's wrong with my foxbody Mustang. I was talking about, you know, I got a Chevy 350 that I was thinking about putting in here, but my son is 10, so, and he's in love with this car. My daughter's in love with the Duster, and my son's in love with this car. So this is going to be his car once we're all done with it. I don't think I'm gonna do anything crazy. If you go to a racetrack, there's nutback fox bodies galore. I don't want to build another race car. want to build a fun car that, you know, I can't drive every day. I can drive it across country. When I first bought this car, the only thing I did to it was change the oil, change the transmission fluid and the differential fluid, and then I drove it from here to here in Colorado all the way to South Carolina and back. You know, speed limits were 75, 80 miles an hour, especially going through Kansas. So that's what she was running, and she was doing good. You know, I got big plans for this car. We're gonna try to find, you know, some other seats, put a carpet in it. I'm even thinking about the local pull and pay here has a another foxbody, so I'm gonna go check to see if I can snag, you know, all the air conditioning stuff off of there. It'd be pretty cool to put air conditioning in it. You know, for those hot summer days. Right now it's primered black with a black interior. So if I could put air conditioning, y'all didn't see that. Y'all didn't see that at all. Nah, hey, this car really badly needs a transmission rebuild. Second gear synchros are gone. Even downshifting, I got to go into first to get to third. But boy, she sounds good. The main thing I'm happy with is there's no vibrations anymore. Yeah, guys, sorry for the lack of videos lately. As I said in my last video, had shoulder surgery. Even today, there is absolutely no way I was putting that clutch in without the transmission jack and the lift that I was able to use. I just couldn't do it. But I ain't gonna take any more of y'all's time. If you're still watching, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Tell us what you want to see. You know, enough people say it, we'll go down and get the duster, and you know, I got a ton of parts for that thing that we can start working on. So it's gonna do it for me. Y'all stay easy, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.